Even though the housing market is no longer experiencing the frenzy that we had, don't think for a second that the house showings is not going strong. It is. Now, I want to show you a graph that'll come on here in a second. Where do we get the information for this graph? Is from Showing Time. Showing Time is what all the agents use to open the door to let us in to show our clients the homes. So you're getting all the information across the United States so that they can actually track what is happening on Showing Time, how many homes are getting showing, the best months, all of that information is on there. Now, we know here in the Phoenix area, especially for number nerds, we have followed the seasonality of showings. And we know, of course, that March, April, May, June are always the highest showing and selling time there is. So what this graph is showing is that what's happening in 2023, we're going back to the normal market. So here's the graph. Look at the gray area. On that gray area is pre-COVID. The pink area is what they term now the unicorn years. And that's those years after the COVID where everything went crazy, frenzy, low interest rate, demand was high, everything was just magical. So it's coined the unicorn years. Now you can see after that ended, look at it and you can see on the right where we're at now in 2023. So the traffic is down from the previous month, but we're still very strong. And you can see the peaks are similar to that in the gray area, but they're not as steep and high as they were during the unicorn years. So people, this isn't just me making up things. This is hard data that is showing that it did decline a bit, but now we're following a typical seasonal pattern. So we're back into it. A lot of homes are being shown. I have to tell you, I had a open house a week ago. It was like 119 degrees out there. I had it from 10 till 3:30 and it was full the whole time. Multiple offers, just buyers all coming in. So there is a strong buyer demand. It is still there. But what does it mean for you? It means that the buyers are out there. And if you have a house that isn't on the market, on the MLS, that isn't marketed out there strong, people aren't seeing the home. They're not going to know that your home is up there. And that's why it is so important to use realtors who are strong with advertising, with marketing, that have professionals behind them that they use. The more people that see your home, the higher price that you're going to get. So yes, there's a lower number of homes on the inventory, but the demand is still there. If you're needing a new home, you're outgrowing the one that you're in, you want to go from your 2-story to a 1-story, I think now's a great time. I think when those interest rates come down, that it's even going to go up higher. So give me a call. Let's talk about it. Shauna Jones with Realty One.